Good morning, respected judges. Aridhima
Airagiri.
And I, Aryansh.
are from Bharat Bharati Senior Secondary School, Kullu, Himachal Pradesh. We are here to present our model based on multi-purpose heater, which is capable of performing multiple functions, such as heating the room, cooking meals, and boiling water at the same time.
Our model consists of mainly 5 parts: a heating element, an insulating plate, a reflector, a solar panel, and a temperature sensor. Heating element. An open coil heating element uses electrical resistance to generate heat. When current flows through the coil, the resistance causes the element to heat up through Joule heating. Insulating plate. An insulating plate blocks heat or electricity using materials like ceramics, mica, fiberglass, or plastics. These materials have low conductivity and resist energy flow by trapping air or limiting electron movement. Reflector. A heat reflector redirects radiant heat using shiny materials like aluminum or polished steel. Its reflective surface bounces infrared energy instead of absorbing it, minimizing heat loss and protecting nearby components. Solar panel. A solar panel captures sunlight using photovoltaic cells, reducing DC electricity. This energy powers devices or charges a battery for further use. Temperature sensor. A temperature sensor measures heat by converting temperature changes into electrical signals. Using materials like metals or semiconductors, it varies resistance or voltage as temperature shifts.
A common heater usually reduces humidity, especially when used in a closed room. However, ordinary electric heaters can make the air in room very dry, leading to dry skin, eyes, and throat irritation and respiratory discomfort. To overcome this problem, we decided to add a boiling water function in our model.
Common heaters also require continuous power supply to operate, which becomes a problem during power outages. Therefore, we included a solar panel and a battery system to make it both energy saving and eco friendly.
Our multi-purpose heater can be used for boiling water, cooking food, and providing warmth to the room simultaneously, which makes it cost-effective and convenient. In hospitals, when someone is sick, it is often necessary to heat food and water using electric ovens, which wastes a lot of electricity.
To make this process more efficient, we decided to add a function of heating food and water directly into our multi-purpose heater. This allows it to serve as a useful appliance both in homes and healthcare facilities.
In our heater, we have connected solar panel to charge controller to battery, and battery to inverter, and inverter is connected to our heater. In our heater, we can cook food by placing any container on the grills, and in the blue portion there will be water to boil, and the heater will provide us warmth from the front part. Our project is a multifunctional solar powered heater designed for efficiency and sustainability. It works as a space heater, cooking unit, and includes a compartment for boiling water.
A reflective surface on top enhances heat concentration, while the insulated design ensures minimal energy loss, making it an eco-friendly and practical solution for off-grid or emergency use.
In conclusion, we say that our multi-purpose heater is an innovative model that combines comfort, utility, and sustainability. It helps conserve energy, reduces electricity bills, and ensures continuous operation even during power cuts, all while providing everyday uses.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.